How to change Facebook phone number without logging in. So if you want to change your Facebook phone number without logging in, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I have already opened up my Facebook application and these two text boxes are displayed in the screen. So here you have to enter your either mobile number or email and password to log into your account. So unfortunately, you need to know that you cannot change your Facebook mobile number without logging in. You need to log into your account for changing the phone number because it's related to privacy. But in case if you don't have access to your mobile number, then you can also log into your account by using your email. For that, simply tap over the email text box and you can enter your email and password and you can log into your account. So here we go. So you can enter like this and you can simply go for login. So once you are logged in, you'll be able to see this interface or the home page from where you will be able to explore to various posts like this. So let me show you how can you change your phone number with logging in. So once you are here, simply tap over the three bar horizontal line in the right upper corner and you just have to go for settings option right next to search bar at the right upper corner. And here simply tap over account center and you will be opened up to this interface. Here simply go for personal details and your details like your contact informations, birthday and identity confirmations are available. Go for contact info. At the bottom there is option for add new contact. Simply tap over add new contact and you have to go for add mobile number. And after doing that, you'll be opened up to the text box where you have to enter your mobile number. Then tap over there and you have to enter your mobile number which you want to set. And after doing that, you have to choose the account for this number. You can choose for Facebook and you just have to go for next. And after going for next, you'll be able to add this number to your account finally. So this is how you do. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.